Look at the signature. Look at the target. Look where we're at. I did it all live. The numbers just dropped. We're not even going to flush one level of support. I cannot get long. I got to just wait patiently for my setup. Not just my setup. I got to wait for support to fail and reclaim that support. Simple game. I need to see some traps. And right now, well, you can already tell who's going to get trapped. It's going to be the shorts if we flash to the downside. If we do it, but come on, do it. This is the greatest game of ping pong and Jenga that you will ever witness. Did I see the numbers? Did I see what they are? Do I care what Daddy Powell's got to say? Not at all. I care about one thing, and that is price action. You can see this dip we got below the support. You can see the rip back above it. And then you take the long. It's as simple as that. So, I mean, now what am I going to do? I don't know. I just got to wait for the trade to play out. I think that once we get some more volatility, potentially we can get this ripper to the ultimate target, which would be that 88 level that I mentioned on my live stream this morning. And if that happens, well, then, oh my goodness, it is just too good. I'll be too good. Too good. Come on, yes, push through that. That's it. That girl, that's it. Come on. A little bit more. I'm going to get rid of one, I think, here. Boom. There's one. All right, next one. Come on. Come on, let's leave this one on. A little bit more. Let's get that full 88. Come on. Can we witness live and record this? The inevitable. Yes, hitting, backtesting 85. We've said it since the morning. My goodness. Oh my gosh, it's just too good. Look at this face. I am not surprised that we're here at all. We're probably going to go higher, but who cares? I'm already out of the trade, right? I'm not going to just sit and hope and pray that it goes on higher. It might want to pull back. It might not. I don't know, right? But what I want to point out is, look at the signature. Look at the target. Look where we're at. I did it all live. We were, before the numbers even came out, before that Jerome Powell even started speaking, you need to congest your trading into just price action, pure price action, nothing else. I didn't read any fancy charts. I didn't read anything. I don't, like, what was there for me to read? Nothing. I don't care what Jerome has to say. And look where we're at. And we're still going higher. We are still going higher. I took profit way too early, as usual. That's a good problem to have the last time I checked. Peace. And lastly, I wasn't feeling my greatest this morning. I have a small personal, health thing I'm going through right now, but I do trust in God, and God is going to most definitely get me through it all. And one cannot fail when you walk with God. So I'm going to leave you with that. Enjoy the rest of your day. I will be back here tomorrow. You saw it. There's only one thing you need to care about. That is price action. And most importantly, well, not most importantly, but second most importantly, I want to thank me. I just want to thank me for being this fucking good. I want to thank me for just being me.